Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a very fast video, pretty much just to show you what my setup has been for the months of June and July. As you all know, I am now using my Erin Condren Life Planner. This planner started in the month of July. So obviously for June I was using a different planner. So the planner I was using was the Daytimer Malibu in this blue color. And ever since I got my Erin Condren, I've sort of set it up differently. This planner is actually my finance and budget planner. It's still currently under work. It's kind of like a work in progress. It's under construction, as I like to call it. But yeah, so in here I'm just basically planning out all of my expenses and pretty much tracking my money and whatnot. So all of the inserts that I had in here for all of my previous months, I filed them inside this binder. If you're interested, this binder I got at Target. I don't know if they still have this model, but I did get it in July, so maybe it's still there. I know you guys can check out your nearest Target and see if it's there. But yeah, so I had decided to buy this binder. Actually got two to store all of my inserts from the Malibu planner. So I'm going to show you guys the pages for June. So I pretty much just set up like the whole planner that was in the Malibu in here. So we're going into June. And if you've seen my video, again, I have plan with me's for every single week and page that I decorated in this month. So I had used sort of like a DIY fish style insert or whatever. So basically you open it up and you have your month on your left, and then there's like sort of like some space to write in for those weeks in case you want to add something that doesn't fit in these boxes. So I just pretty much plan very minimal in my months. I just marked like holidays and birthdays and things like that, like maybe movie premieres. Just quick notes that at a glance I know what's going on that month. Sort of like important events. And then I did used to use a monthly chart, which is why I had decided to use this type of insert, but I ended up not using it anymore just because it was a pretty big hassle for me trying to track a whole bunch of things which I did not have time for, so I just decided to stop using it. But yeah, so this was my cover, and again that was my month. And then you have a cute quote that I printed. This is actually kind of like a digital journal card or project life card or whatever. I found it online and then I just printed it out. I don't remember where I got this, pretty much on Pinterest. So we have week 23. This style of inserts was created by me. Basically it's like the vertical style as the Erin Condren. It's a lot smaller in size because I had to fit it in this type of insert. But so I really wanted to try the vertical style, and I liked it, so I was using it here. And then of course I bought the Erin Condren because it was much easier. But this is my week 23. It had a very like heartsy theme with like the penguin and like a tree heart, sorry. And then whatever, and then I had a whole bunch of to-dos, you know. And then a lot of these things that I have, like these quotes, I found on Pinterest. And then this, I think I found all of these like list or heart checklists I found in like a blog. It was a free printable. If you're interested in knowing the links to all of these things, like the page flags, the little icons, which these I did myself, but yeah, and then like the little page flags or whatever, you can check the plan with me for week 23, and then you'll have all of the links in the description box for those of you who are interested in downloading that. And then week 24, I went a little overboard with the colors. It was very pop culture, whatever. It was the Erin Condren launch week, so I was really excited because I had bought my Erin Condren that week, and so I really wanted this page to be very colorful and whatnot. And so that's that week. And then week 25 I sort of died down because I was already going to go on vacation the following week, so I didn't have a lot of time for planning and decorating on the pages. I pretty much just like scribbled everything. I did do a plan with me, which is why there's a few stickers here and there. I tried to make it a little cute, but it was very simple and to the point because I had a very busy week that I had to do. I had to get a lot of things done for my trip before I left on my trip. And then, as you can tell, week 26 was when I left on Wednesday on vacation. So I did not take my planner with me, and unfortunately I didn't track what I did each day for the rest of the weeks from June, which was this week and that week. Basically, well, this is just like a list of things I wanted to buy when I went to the States, which is where I went on vacation. But yeah, so I didn't track what I did on vacation because I'm on vacation, so that's that. And then that's it for June. So then now in July, I was still on vacation, but since I already had my Erin Condren shipped to where I was going, I did start decorating in it that week that it started. So let me show you guys. I don't know if I move the camera a little bit. So I'm really excited to show you guys my month of July. This is my month, and my coil is still kind of weird. I still have to keep flipping it, but whatever. So I covered the top header with a bit of scrapbook paper. It did make the page go a little bulky, but it's okay. And then I added some stickers here, and then I cut out this big printable from the internet and decided to put that for July instead of using the standard Erin Condren planner or decoration. So then basically, again, what I write here is just quick notes that I need to know at a glance in my month, like how long I was on vacation, which was all of this, and then here I went back to work, and then I had a whole bunch of birthdays, there's anniversaries here, and whatnot, and then just like little notes. And then for the first week of July, I actually cut this week out from another planner that I had received, which was, the coil was even more messed up. So what I actually did, I tore out the pages and then glued this week on here because I had already decorated it in the previous planner. So basically this is a 4th of July theme. As you can tell, I was in the US, so I wanted it to be very patriotic. And a lot of these things that I used, I had printed out beforehand, before leaving on vacation. Again, if you're interested in finding these like backgrounds and whatnot, I made those, and you can see them in my planner supplies on the go video. You can see that in a little bit more detail. And then I used some stickers that I had found from the Target dollar spot, and Shark Week started on that Sunday, so I added a little shark sticker. And this is from the Darice, I don't know how to say it, Michael's sticker books. And yeah, so I just added a little like tour that we went, like the ticket stub, and just like little bits and pieces. And then basically this is what we did each day when we were on vacation. And then the next week I was still on vacation. There was a lot of pool theme going on here. I used these stickers from, again, another Darice sticker book. I believe this one was called Pool Time. I actually used two. I used the poolside sticker book and the Aquatic Explorers because it was Shark Week that week, and I was really excited because it was my first week actually the US being able to see Shark Week on TV. So I wanted to add a lot of sharks and whatnot, so I got those from here. But then I was also in the pool a lot, so I had a little like flamingo theme going. Well, not flamingo theme, you know, just like pool stuff. And so those are basically it. Nothing fancy. I had some like yellow and blue background paper that I just cut into the Erin Condren boxes so that I could have a little bit of more color in there. And then the next week I was already back from vacation. I had started already work. As you can see on the 13th I was back to work. And this week, since I had a lot of things going on, I didn't want to decorate much. I just added some washi here, and then some digital paper over here. A little bit of washi to decorate. This is my new washi that I had bought at Michael's, I think. And then, yeah, so just a little stickers and whatnot. But basically all I did here was just write to-dos and things that I had to remember. So it was very simple and minimal. Then the next week, I wanted to try kind of like an alien or monsters theme. So I cut out a lot of these things from free clipboards online. And then I had some space washi, which was very cool. And then again, my diary, Korean diary stickers. These are the Momoy character, which is so cute. This red stuff is like the Target dollar page flags, the dollar spot, sorry. These are page flags which are just cut to size to write appointments. And then this big red sticker is actually from the Erin Condren stickers from the back. And yeah, so then again, it's very simple, but I had a whole like alien monster thing going on. And then we are done with July. So as you can see, my pages, I had some very simplistic pages for those weeks that I had a lot of things going on and I couldn't waste time decorating. And then those weeks that I had less stuff going on, I spent a good amount of time decorating and having fun with my planner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And also I would love to check out your months of June and July if you've made a video as well. So let me know in the comments and I will check your page out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!